serving as workhorse of 28 air forces around the world. The legendary F-16 has proven itself as the world's most capable multi-role fighter jet. The F-16 has been in continuous combat operations somewhere around the globe since late 80s. On the other hand, Gripen E is an information-age, multi-role fighter jet capable to carry out wide array of missions. Like the F-35, the Nordic war machine is the most sensor-packed and smartest fighter amongst the 4.5 generation fighter aircraft in the world. Both fighter jets are considered top-of-the-line yet cheap-to-maintain jets in the world. Both have exceptional radars, cueing systems, engines, technology and latest weaponry. We thought it would be cool to compare the mighty F-16 with smart Gripen E and determine which would win in this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can watch more military videos. Number 1. F-16 was first introduced in 1978. Around 4,600 F-16s have been built so far with per unit cost of $35 million. The per hour flight cost of the aircraft is around $12,000. Operated by crew of one, the aircraft's empty weight is 18,900 pounds, and maximum takeoff weight is 42,300 pounds. The jet is powered by a single General Electric engine producing 29,000 pounds of thrust. The aircraft's top speed is 1,534 miles per hour. The fighter jet comes with 9 hardpoints in addition to 20mm rotary cannon. In contrast, Gripen was first rolled out in 1996. 247 Gripens of different variants have been built so far. At present, per unit cost of the latest variant is around $45 million. Per hour flight cost of the jet is around $7,800. Operated by a crew of one, the aircraft comes in at weight of 17,600 pounds with maximum takeoff weight around 36,400 pounds. The jet is powered by a single General Electric engine generating 22,000 pounds of thrust. The jet can reach a top speed of 1,530 miles per hour. The aircraft is equipped with 10 hardpoints in addition to a 27mm cannon. Number 2. F-16 was intentionally designed to be unstable to enhance its maneuverability. However, it was compensated by its digital flight control system, which means that the pilot's controls are interpreted via an electronic interface instead of manual controls. Fly-by-wire controls are more reliable and they made it possible for the flight computer to correct the pilot's errors. The fighter jet has 1.095 thrust-to-weight ratio and its airframe can sustain +9 Gs. On the other hand, the Gripen has a delta and canard type wing configuration with flexible stability. A triple aerodynamic control system allows highly agile maneuvers. The flight control system compensates for difficult environmental conditions and minimizes drag in the air. A pair of air brakes are located on the sides of the rear fuselage. The canards are also angled downward to act as air brakes, which decreases landing distance. The aircraft is capable of achieving 70 to 80 degrees angle of attack in case of a dogfight. The fighter jet has 1.11 thrust-to-weight ratio and its airframe can also sustain 9 Gs. Number 3. F-16 is powered by a single turbofan engine, which produces around 29,000 pounds of thrust. The aircraft can fly at top speed of Mach 2. The jet has ferry range of 2,620 miles with drop tanks, while the combat radius is around 340 miles. The jet have service ceiling of 50,000 feet with rate of climb at 833 feet per second. On the other hand, Gripen is driven by a single turbofan engine generating 22,000 pounds of thrust. With the help of the engine, the jet can gain top speed of Mach 2 at high altitude. The aircraft has ferry range of 2,485 miles. The combat radius of the jet is 559 miles in combat air patrol mode. The aircraft has service ceiling around 52,500 feet with rate of climb around 984 feet per second. Number 4. The latest variant of F-16 is equipped with APG-83 radar. This radar can search continuously and track 20 targets within the forward hemisphere of the jet. The radar can detect fighter jets with RCS of 1 square meter far from 85 miles. The latest variant of F-16 is fitted with faster computer, multifunction displays, helmet-mounted queuing system and high-speed data bus. The aircraft is also equipped with Link 16 theater data link, identification friend or foe and multi-band radio communications. The fighter is also fitted with upgraded electronic warfare equipment and modern threat warning systems including jammers, threat warning receivers, electronic countermeasure pods, chaff and infrared flare dispensers. Likewise, Gripen is equipped with a high-performance Raven radar, which features roll repositionable antenna to provide 120 degrees field of view. The radar is capable to detect a fighter aircraft with RCS of 1 square meter from 93 miles and can simultaneously track 14 targets. The avionics software is so flexible that almost any weapon can be integrated and the jet can be programmed as per mission requirements. The information acquired by jet is shared with other fighters and ground-based assets as well. A passive infrared search and track sensor system making it difficult to detect and an improved electronic warfare system for the disruption and detection of threats. The sources and sensors are integrated into one high-level sensor fusion and situational awareness system for the pilot to enhance the effectiveness of the mission. Number 5. The F-16 has 9 hardpoints and can be armed with wide range of air-to-air missiles, including AIM-9 Sidewinder, Magic 2, AIM-7, Skyflash and AIM-120. The high off-bore sight, infrared air-to-air missiles such as AIM-9X, Python 4, AIM-132 and Iris-D can also be fitted. The aircraft also supports the integration of anti-ship missiles and air-to-ground tactical missile. The fighter jet can be armed with paveway laser-guided bombs, GBU-15 bombs and wind-corrected munitions dispenser weapons. The aircraft is armed with 20mm rotary cannon with 511 rounds. Similarly, the Gripen is armed with wide range of weaponry. The air-to-air missiles include infrared-guided short-range missile and BVR Meteor missile. The aircraft also has the flexibility to be fitted with Sidewinder and A-Data missiles to replace the Iris-T, and the advanced medium-range air-to-air missile to replace the Meteor. It can further be fitted with long-range weapons such as R-Data and Derby, and short-range weapons such as Python. The Gripen can also be integrated with a number of guided and unguided air-to-surface weapons. The aircraft is also armed with 27mm high-velocity gun providing both air-to-air and air-to-surface attack capability. Both fighters can do over Mach 2, fly about 50,000 feet above sea level. But F-16 has better load carrying capacity and therefore it can also carry more weapons. Around 4,600 F-16 have been built so far in comparison to few hundred Gripen manufactured to date. F-16 is cheaper to acquire but expensive to operate than Gripen. F-16 has lower combat radius and ferry range than the Swedish fighter. On the other hand, the Gripen has a better sensor fusion with lower RCS than F-16. The Gripen is equipped with next level of sensors that can detect and track even stealth targets without compromising the jet's location. The Swedish fighter has a smaller engine than the F-16. But due to its lower weight, the Gripen has better thrust-to-weight ratio. The Gripen has slightly higher service ceiling and has better climb rate. Gripen has much higher angle of attack and better maneuverability at low speeds due to its canards and delta wing design. Both jets are equally armed with wide range of weaponry. So what do you think, that which fighter jet is better? America's F-16 Viper or Swedish Gripen E? Let us know in the comments section. Also be sure to check out our other military videos. Thanks for watching and as always don't forget to like, share and subscribe.